Habibi, come to Dubai.
We're on our way to the airport. Dubai. See you later. We are here inside Emirates Airline. It's our first time na sumakay dito sa Emirates. Wala kaming ibang gagawin kasi kumain, matulog, and manood. 9 hours na ba? See you later, Dubai. Welcome to UAE!
We will go to Dubai Mall.
Bakit kami nang at the top, Burj Khalifa. Ito yung literal na I'll see you at the top. Morning! Kakagising lang namin para mag-breakfast. So, ito yung view namin. Sauna.
We're here at Hilton. I have tour. Swimming time. We're going to swim. Yes.
Lahat ng mga nandito, mga foreigners, mga nakatupis, ang gaganda.
Mga ayaw mag-swimming. Lahat sila nakapipis.
Kami, eto ngayon, nagmamaganda. Let's go! May sabi. Hello! Yung excited sila.
You say that money cannot buy happiness.
Habibi! Go to Dubai! Ito yung mga food nila. Kebab. Tignan natin na. Ito na yung biryani rice.
Habibi, come to Dubai.
Bukas na yung skydiving namin. Hindi ko alam yung feel ko eh. Medyo pricey, pero it's a once in a lifetime experience. Diba sabi nga, collect memories, not things. Pwede naman both. That's why we work hard and hard and hard and hard. So, see you tomorrow. Bye! Hi guys! Hindi ko alam yung nararamdaman ko ngayon with excitement, kinakabahan, that I can't leave Dubai without doing this.
We're ready to jump.
Maya-maya.
Kinakabahan na ako.
Hello!
Hello.
Birthday jump.
Tinanong ko kung ulitin, sabi ko, yes, definitely.
Me too. Sobrang na-enjoy ko siya. Tapos grabe yung Dubai. Anong kitang-kita mo yung palm. Kapag meron kang fear, i-conquer mo siya because I did. I'm really proud of myself because nagawa ko siya. I cannot imagine na magagawa ko siya. Mga bagay na hindi natin may isip na magagawa natin. But I conquered it. Nagawa namin siya together. And of course, thanks to our casting. Ang aming photographer, videographer, yan, driver pa. This is the most exciting part, yung pagkain sa dampa. Yeah, let's go. Nagutom kami sobra. This is the aftermath.
Unstoppable Philippines. Kamusta kayo dyan? Ito yung mga bagay na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Ang dami kong realizations while nandito ako. And I'm really excited na i-share tong lahat sa inyo, yung mga experiences namin dito.
We are here at Ferrari World. This is the fastest ride in the world. So titignan natin kung gaano ba talaga kabilis. So, Formula Rosa. So, ita-try natin.
So, are you ready?
Ready!
Habibi, come to Dubai.
Oh my God! This is it!
Habibi, come to Dubai.
We can do this! So,